There we are, doing a government building. There's the water. This is the truck mount. Okay, this is where the beauty of a gasoline pump comes in. There's only one faucet on this building. This afternoon we did all this. It's about 60 feet. Did it all from the ground. Used the new double SimPole at 60 feet. And there's no faucet on the front. And you can see we have to go around. We hung on this building originally. Setting up the hybrid 4 sections SimPole, the rest a facelift. I think if I really was going to invent a good pole that would go 100 feet, you really would need 10-foot sections and get up 50 feet and then come out the bottom with the other 50. This is a huge pain in the rear job. We got the new SimPole up there. This hadn't been done in 3.5 years. We did the original construction clean. We water fed this. Your tank is full. So, no, I turned it off. Do you need the Bonami? Have you tried the bottom section first with the SimPole to see how to come out? Oh. Well, at least you can reach it. What about you need the harnesses?
No, we got the harnesses.
All right. Well, because you're within 6 feet.
Yeah.
You stay within 6 feet, you're fine. Anyways, we did the original construction clean on this around 9 years ago. We'd love to get the cafeteria here. Problem with the cafeteria, it's self-cleaning glass and acid rain due to TVA. They're in pretty bad shape. But tomorrow we'll come and finish up this, but they're in pretty bad shape due to not being done in 3.5 years, and the sun and the sprinkler system. So these windows are pretty well shot, and we gave them a next to nothing price just to get out here at the plants. We have FBI clearance and UT Battelle clearance now, so hopefully we'll get a lot more work out here. Ideal time is come out on a Saturday, a lot less people. But there's no way to get a lift here. There's no tiebacks. This is where water fed really comes on its own. And the truck mount system, here we are over 200 feet away from the system, and with the water, I don't think one of your little carts would actually work here, because we got to feed the water to the van and then use the gasoline pump. I don't know how far a cart will pump, 200, 300, 400 feet. Here we are using a garden hose, and we're running 2 poles with the gasoline pump, and so you can't beat the system. Why drag something all around the building? So we have 2 systems. Here on the other van is the baffle tank we sell for $4.25. It's low profile, 100 gallons. You don't have to worry about it flying around and hitting you because it's only 3 feet by 4 feet. And then the DI right here that we rent for 110 direct feed, and using the SimPole works real good. The new SimPole you can use for regular window cleaning now. This is the butt end that works. Anyways, that's how it works here when you use a gasoline pump. I'm doing the back side using the facelift. Now my van, I just use direct feed. Eventually, I got these new baffle tanks that you pull out, fill up. They use them in the military for ops to fill it up with gasoline, then they roll up, so it'll be right here on the ground. But here I'm doing the backside just with a direct feed tank up here. And then again, your Cox rail's fantastic for one pole. Anyways, have any questions, check it out at SimPole.com or YouTube, SimPole, SimPole.